Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. And I know I haven't been making YouTube videos, it's been a while, but here's another YouTube video. After a long while, I was looking at some good flashlights. It's from a company called Nebo, and they sell them on Amazon. And I got the first one, which is this one over here. It's called the Torchy 2K. Here's where you charge it. Here's the clip, has a strap. And it's aluminum construction. It's military grade, aircraft grade aluminum construction. Look how bright that is. Now if you hold it, it's brighter. You can dim it. And I'm trying to do there we go. It does strobe. It also does SOS, but I'm not gonna mess with this one. So what's good about this one is it has the wireless charging, which is right there. It just magnetically attaches. And the cord is USB. And it lights up right there in blue, meaning it's done charging, but when it's red, that means it's charging and it needs to be charged. And now let's go for the one I just unboxed, which is this other Nebo. There's the strap. Here's the manual for it. This one's the Davinci 5000 because it's 5000 luminous. Feels as heavy as a lightsaber. Oh yes, right. You have to open the battery compartment and remove battery discharge plastic disc. And this one brings, oh, it's not USB-C. It's micro USB. But also, here's the packaging. This one was a heavy duty packaging, so I unboxed it before I recorded. But anyways, basically you can do a 3x adjustable zoom, and it's IP67 waterproof. This thing has a power bank. Mode select dial. It's rechargeable. Aircraft grade aluminum like the Torchy 2K one, and it's from the same company. Nebo. And well, here would be the small, large, medium, high. Optimized COBD. Well, guys, there really is not much to say about it because it's just a flashlight. So, guys, thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I've seen a lot of you guys commenting a lot on my videos. I'm kind of being quiet right now because everyone is sleeping. So I'll see you on the next one.